Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to all new members. Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 4, 2022, 3-star Sudoku, 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 7. Column G, we have 1 and 2. It can't come this cell, it will come any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Eighth row and 10th row, we have 4. Column F also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J and second row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and fourth row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 7. So 7 can't come this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F and column G we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Fourth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G and second row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F and second row we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 4 and 8 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 3 and 8. It can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. We will confirm later. Column B and 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come this cell. 5 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row and 9th row we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 9th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row on column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. In 3rd row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 3rd row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 5th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column C we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 3rd row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column B we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. In 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. We will confirm later. Column I we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 4. 7th row we have 4 and 6, so 4 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells, then only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 4 and 6 we will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 8. We will confirm later. In column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 will come in one of the cell. We will confirm later. 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 7th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 6th row and 7th row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Fifth row, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.